Hello. I'm excited to open some stuff. I have two things that I ordered from Brooks, two pair of shoes. They were having a sale. I already own one pair. I'm adding to my collection without having spent too much. Here we go, first pair. These are the Chip 'n Dale shoes. Oh my gosh, okay, I didn't even notice, but maybe you can see that this is kind of fuzzy. The tongue and the side is a little bit fuzzy. Very cute, red bottoms. It's got Dale. That's Dale. But these are the Ghost 17 shoes. And we've got Chip. There's Chippy. Moment of truth. How do they fit? A lot of the reviews say that Brooks run small. The pair that I already have, I actually had to order in a men's size because they were out of the women's. So I actually have large feet, and so this is the woman's 11, which I think is feeling pretty good. Normally I'm like a 9.5 or 10 in a lot of other women's shoes, but Nike and Brooks, yeah, I agree. They run a bit small. So I'm in an 11, and I think we're feeling pretty good. This is a perfect fit. I wouldn't want it any bigger or smaller. These came out at least a year ago, and I looked at them and immediately was like, no, that's not for me, that's not my color. But then I kept seeing other people wearing them. Then when I saw they went on sale, I was like, all right, let me just check it out again. And I decided I wanted to get them. They didn't have my size in the women's, so just like I did with my original pair, I went with a men's size 9. My other ones are 9.5, so we'll see. These might be too small, but here they are. They're just adorable. I think not only would these be really great for my RunDisney, but just a good park shoe. How fun. What a good park shoe. Ghost Max 2 Minnie Mouse. So we'll see. This is a little bit of a different shoe than the Ghost 17. Those ones are a little bit more narrow, a little bit more sturdy, solid, wide. So let's see how the men's 9 fits. I'm a little nervous. Ooh. Oh, okay. That went right on. I don't know. My right foot's a little bit bigger. We'll see when I stand up. I don't know. I literally got the last pair of these. There's no exchanging. If these don't fit, we'll just return them. And that'll be that. Here they are. The Minnie Mouse. I don't know. Just seems like a hair too small in the toe. A hair too small. I really wanted these to work. So cute.
Cutie little darling, my heart is starting to beat a little faster. Oh,
What do you think about the RunDisney collab?